Okay, so hello. In our project, in our quest for woodwork, to learn more on woodwork, we are going to repair this table here. Okay, there's a lot more work. Okay, and so I'll be back in a moment. Okay, so we are also going to repair this table. Okay, be back in a moment. We are also going to repair this table. These tables will go up for sale. Okay, so we are also going to continue in a moment. We are also going to repair this one here. It's a art stand, okay, as you can see, okay, okay, just right down there, give you another look, okay, it's an art stand, okay, we'll do a lot of art on there, or we'll be doing a lot of art there. Thanks for watching, and God be with you all, and take care, bless you all.